Welcome to the Scienscope stand here at SMT Connect. I'm delighted to be joined by Adrian Radu, who's the European Sales Manager. Good to see you.
Good to see you and good to have you here.
Yeah, thank you. So, obviously, Scienscope has got a fairly comprehensive solution for handling devices, components and reels from goods inward through storage and component counting. So let's talk a little bit about the solution that you're offering here today. Starting off with the IMS 100. Tell us a little bit about that, how it works and what the benefits are.
So the IMS 100 is one of, let's say, unique as it kinds. That are a lot of solutions on the market, but we have a unique ability to have 4 small reels in the same time. So this gives a big advantage because usually 80% of the reels for the clients are small reels.
Right.
So being able to put 4 small reels in the same time gives the operator a full working job, yes? Mm-hmm. So there is no moment that he's waiting for the system to work.
Right. How fast does it capture?
Until you place all of the 4 reels, mm-hmm. you can start picking one of them out. So it has an intelligent algorithm mm-hmm. that detects when you place the reels and when you remove the reels.
Right.
So there is, like I said, no time that the operator is waiting. Mm-hmm. And also, once you remove the reel, you generate the label. Mm-hmm. And after you place the label, it has a feature that you can place the reel back on the table.
Right.
And in that moment, it will validate that both labels, original label and your internal label, are placed on the right reel.
Right.
So it is a Pokayoke type of system.
Yeah, good. Now, I believe you've also got a larger automatic system, the IMS 200. What are the differences with that?
Yeah, so we tried to cover all the clients' needs. Mm-hmm. So with the IMS 100, it's usually for small to medium clients, mm-hmm. but for large automotive or very big clients, multinationals, we have the IMS 200. Mm-hmm. This one is a fully automatic solution where the operator is barely minimum. Mm-hmm. So one operator can work with 4 systems. It has automatic loading for 7-inch reels, 13-inch, 15-inch, prints and place the label automatically. So it's really a full inline incoming system, and it's a one of a kind.
Right. So you can use robots to load the reels and unload them. It can be
exactly
literally completely operator free.
Exactly. And the system can decide if it is, let's say, a good reel and it's finished the incoming process, or if it's a reel that needs to be in quarantine because the quality needs to check or something on it. Mm-hmm. And it's really versatile and also very flexible.
Yeah. Okay. So we've scanned the reels. We then take them forward to the storage area, and you've got a storage rack system which looks fairly robust. Tell us a little bit about the makeup of that and how it works.
So the smart storage solution, it is a pick-to-light type of system. Mm-hmm. It is a complementary system for the towers, for the SMT towers, because it has no humidity control, mm-hmm. but it has the advantage that it can be right next to the line. It is for 7-inch reels, double-sided, so you can put it even between 2 lines, and the LEDs can be color-coded. Right. Each line has its own color. Faster placing in the reels, and also much faster than any storage solution to take out the reels.
Right.
Doesn't matter if it's one reel by one, or it is, let's say, a production changeover, mm-hmm. when you're doing the kitting or dekitting.
Right. Yeah. So it's fairly portable. I notice it's quite sturdy too. So it's
we always think that when we design the system, it is designed for operators' abuse.
Yeah.
You know, no plastic, no strip wires, really heavy metal that is, always durable in time.
Right. Okay. So the last component we've got in the chain, of course, is the X-ray counter itself. We're standing here in front of the AXC 803. Tell us a little bit about this one and give us a little demonstration on how it works.
So the AXC 803, it is our 3rd generation of counters, mm-hmm. and it's really easy. The operator just opens the door, mm-hmm. places the reels inside, and you can see that we have different reels. Right. Yes. So we have all the shapes on our systems, on our components, are completely different. Mm-hmm. So we have 7-inch, we have a waffle bag, and in I think it was 5 seconds.
I was just going to say,
Yeah.
5 seconds, yeah.
We
Yeah.
have the counting. Once we get the image, we apply the algorithms. 5 seconds later, then you have the counting.
And it seems pretty accurate. I mean, there's no areas that it hasn't been able to count.
No, exactly. And if you see here, even if it is big components
Yeah.
or waffle bags, yeah, you still have a very good count.
Yeah.
And even if we go and see the 01005 components, yeah,
It's incredible.
all of these can be in ESD bags.
Yeah.
And now we develop the algorithms also for THT components that are on paper strips.
I see.
So that's a new development that we did and presented to the market. And this will be an extra benefit for all of the clients.
Right. So you can take them on paper strips,
Yeah.
waffle trays, reels, what about sticks as well?
Sticks, yeah.
Okay.
So
Great.
anything that goes inside and is not overlapping, we are able to count.
Right. Now, I believe you've also got a larger, fully automatic version of this as well.
Yeah, so there is the 803 that we have here, but there's also 803 Plus that is automatic loading for 7-inch reels by the operator with a conveyor, and then goes X-ray counting, reads the label, and what we forget to mention also with this one, we have the counting, but also all the labels will read it, and the automatic, it's uploading automatically the unique ID and the quantity once you remove them. So if we take one out, you can see here it's automatically removing. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
it puts the quantity
exactly,
the number.
and the unique ID. So all of these are done fully inline. 803 Plus, it is a very nice product where the clients have a lot of small reels and they also want to reprint the label. Right. And it will reprint and place automatically the reels. But then we have the unique X-ray counter, the fully inline one, the 5100, AXI 5100.
Yeah.
And this can be automated with AGV loading. It will pick out the reels, place it, counting, print the label. And with the 5100, it's really good because you have your internal label. It doesn't matter the rotation of the label.
It works it out.
Exactly. It will always find the correct rotation and apply the label above it.
Right. And that's the system that you're using in some of the tier 1 customers that you have.
Exactly. And we see more and more this automatization needed, and that's why we developed all of our system in that area. So we have standard one for, let's say, majority, but for the clients that really want to excel into their automatization, we give them the possibility. Right.
Excellent. Well, it's a fairly comprehensive suite, Adrian, and it's quite impressive. So thank you for showing it to us today.
My pleasure.
Okay.